Many people think that uploading more designs to categories with huge search volume, but lots of competitors, is the best way to make sales on any print-on-demand platform. But in fact, it turns out that uploading designs to less saturated categories with less competing designs is an effective way to get tons of sales. This is a strategy you should always use if you want to start making sales. Finding a less saturated niche is one of the keys to success on Redbubble. And not only Redbubble, finding and dominating a niche is important in any business. However, if you want to make a consistent sales, you should use a strategy called cross-niching. In this short video, I will try to explain what this strategy is all about and why you should use it to make sales. Cross-niching is a marketing strategy in which you sell the same or similar product to two unrelated markets. By doing this, you will be able to make more consistent sales by taking advantage of the differences in the markets. In other words, you are trying to combine two different categories to make a new one. This way, you can easily create a new niche and dominate it, even if you have only few designs and you are a print-on-demand beginner. The logic behind the cross-niche strategy is that you are covering more keywords and this gives you more opportunities to make sales. To get you an example of cross-niche designs, let's take a look at this Redbubble shop. This designer is seeking to connect the coffee niche and various professions to cover more niches and get a bigger chance to get sales. A closer look at some designs will show you what I'm talking about. Half athletic trainer, half coffee. Half English teacher, half coffee. Half paramedic, half coffee. Spanish teacher, research nurse. Many successful people on Redbubble already know which niches are great to make sales, and coffee lovers and professions are some of them. People love coffee. There is nothing mind-blowing about it, and they are also proud on their professions. So why not combine them together and create something unique? This is the core of the cross-niche strategy, combining popular categories full of passionate buyers and create more specific, highly targeted designs. I bet there are tons of auditors who love coffee. So there are tons of opportunities to make sales. A good practice is to Google favorite professions and popular sports and then mix these two niches together. But this is just beginning. Another good example of cross-niche strategy is the combination of national flag and an object. Here is a shop where the artist is doing this in an interesting way. You can see a Mexican flag on butterfly, an American flag on the skull, Filipino flag on butterfly and much more. Let your imagination work and I'm sure you can find something new and interesting that will lead to tons of sales. So, thank you for watching and I hope that you have learned something new about print on demand which can help you to be more successful and get more sales.